We're finally gonna finish my fall decorate with me. We're gonna do the shelves, and after I do the shelves and whatever else I need to finish, I'm gonna post this video, and then I'm gonna do a home tour. So after that, we're just gonna start getting ready, if I'm in the mood, God willing, for Christmas. This cross that you see me here holding here, it's a cross that I always add next to Joel's pictures. And this is my sweet Joel. In case you're new to my channel, this is my 33-year-old son that passed away 9 months ago. This upcoming song, I really love this song. It means a lot to me. I like to play it every time I'm doing something that is dedicated to Joel, which is practically my home now. You're gonna see a lot of squirrels and acorns and stuff like that, and butterflies throughout my my videos. Not butterflies today, but usually squirrels and stuff like that, like this one here. And they just mean a lot to me. So usually when I go visit Joel's grave, he has squirrels, and they're always touching his grave and coming up to me. So this is the reason why I decorate with them now. This next frame that I show you guys with Joel's picture, that's one of my favorite Mother's Day cards that he gave me. And so I decided to frame it like a picture and put it up next to his picture because I love reading it and it means a lot to me.
Every single day, you set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile. What is it that you do? Till you added colors, like the moon is the snow. We don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Tengo piquete, la gente dice el chamaco le mete. Ey. Solo en la cabeza tengo los billetes, tengo piquete, estoy bien. No tengo de 100, pero tengo los míos, hermano. Aquí estamos todo bien. Ey. Me gozo la vida, pa' mí es la ley. Con todas las rolas como Purple Rain. Sin nada de flex o jugando games. Me gozo lo mío, gente, estoy safe. Me gozo la vida, pa' mí es la ley. Con todas las rolas como Purple Rain. Sin nada de flex o jugando games. Me gozo lo mío, gente, estoy safe. Cuando necesitas mula yo sé que te pone coqueta. Porque no busco trabajo, al menos vendiendo paletas. Gozo la vida, trabajo, lo tuyo no te comprometas. Me gustan independientes, también que tengan sus metas. Hey, hey. Todo el mundo busca dinero, también busca la fama. Como Jim Carrey nos dijo, la plata y la fama no hacen mañana. Por eso veo mis reglas y trato de tener una vida sana. La envidia no enferma, también nos saca la cana. Me gozo la vida, pa' mí es la ley. Con todas las rolas como Purple Rain. Sin nada de flex o jugando games. Me gozo lo mío, gente, estoy insane. Me gozo la vida, pa' mí es la ley. Con todas las rolas como Purple Rain. Sin nada de flex o jugando games. Me gozo lo mío, gente, estoy insane. El dinero no se rico la gente. Gente rica, te digo. la come poco a poco. Como José, que la vibra no rellene. Que no desee todo lo que el éxito tiene. Yo no vendía con plata, pero no la de la acera. Tener una esposa que se mueve como Salma, soy Antonio Bandera. Me gozo la vida, papi, es la ley. Con todas las rolas como Purple Rain. Sin nada de flex o jugando gay. Me gozo lo mío, que estoy safe. Me gozo la vida, papi, es la ley. Con todas las rolas como Purple Rain. Sin nada de flex o jugando gay. Me gozo lo mío, gente, estoy safe. Yo soy el mismo de siempre, chamaco del barrio que quiere la gente. Vacilamos en tu mente, gozándonos la vida es más que suficiente. Claro.
Joel liked Halloween, so that's why I added this little ghost here with his picture.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
I hope you like and enjoy this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.